see more videos like this, let me know in the future. And as I said, if you guys think I should open this figure, let me know. And yeah, that's about it for me. This is the Transformer Gundam, signing out. I don't know what to do. You know, I've been doing a lot of thinking, and I know I said, you know, if I got enough comments, I'd actually open this guy up. But, you know, the more I think about it, I don't think I want to open it. Yeah, I think it's in the best interest that I just leave it in the box, you know. I mean, it is a collector's item after all, you know. Why would I want to devalue it if I actually, you know, open it up and all this stuff? I just don't think it'll be worth it. So yeah, as I said, I think I'm just gonna keep it in the box and wait. What are you doing in here? Don't open it, you say? Well, I say otherwise. Wait, what? No, what are you doing? Put that knife down now! Wait a second. Are you wearing an Astros hat? Yes, I am. I am an Astros fan after all. They are the World Series champions in 2017. Wait, what are you talking about? They cheated. They got caught, clearly. What are you doing supporting those damn Astros, asterisks, fucking cheaters? Shut up, man. I'm gonna open your damn Transformer, you fucking loser. Fuck you. No, don't you dare touch it! It's my G1 Reissue Starscream! I want to keep it in the box! Oh, I will open it. In fact, I already have it in my possession right now as we speak. You fool. No, you want it. Put it down now, you monster. Oh, you naive fool. I may be a fan of the Astros, but I will open that box, and I will reveal its contents to the world, and you can't do a thing to stop me, especially since I have this knife. No, wait, please don't do this. Oh, it's too late, TFG. I have taken over your channel now, and today I'm going to be unboxing this weird Transformers thing that you seem to like so much. Yes. Hi, I have taken over his channel, and today, as I've said, I'm opening this thing that he calls his holy grail, the Transformers G1 reissue of Starscream. Oh yes. So as you can see, I have this knife, I have this box in front of me, and now it's time to cut the tape. Yes, as you can see, the tape has been cut, and now it is time to open the wraps and hopefully get that damn knife to stop rolling around. Yes, here we go. It is open now. The collector's value have just gone down by so much. TFG is probably crying in the corner now. No. Why? Why? Yes, let's reveal the contents and throw away this stupid box. Yes, I see we have some weird instruction manual with tape. Yes. Alright, but now let's get the rest of this tape and free this thing from its plastic prison. Yes, I have removed all the tape, and now it is time to free the beast from inside. It's beautiful. Oh, yes. Oh, look at it in all of its G1 glory. And we got, of course, got the almighty Megatron. Oh, yes. Beautiful. Beautiful.